Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG, your friendly resident guide in District 12. St. George's Towers isn't just another residential estate. This architectural marvel created by Look Architects has won the HDB Design Awards. This newly MOP estate stands tall as an iconic high-rise amidst lush greenery and impeccable landscaping. But what sets it apart from the rest? It boasts amenities like a drop-off lobby that greets you like no other, a rooftop garden above the multi-story car park which is connected by link bridges, and the sky terrace on level 24-25 of each block, where residents can enjoy fitness equipment or unwind on benches while soaking in panoramic views of the cityscape. Join me as we tour this spacious three-room haven perched on a high-floor corner. This cozy retreat has such a warm and inviting atmosphere, accented by the rich tones of walnut wood. Let's go! As you enter, you're greeted by the heart of the home, the living room. With ambient cove lighting throughout, a modern walnut wood theme flooring and stylish furnishings, the entire space exudes warmth and invites relaxation. To the left, a floor-to-ceiling mirror adds depth and light, while a sleek bar counter high table beckons you to unwind and enjoy a drink with friends. A modern feature wall with neat shelving offers the perfect spot to display your favorite memento pieces, adding personality to the space. Everyday essentials are conveniently within reach here. Let's not forget the unobstructed views that frame the entertainment area, creating a backdrop for relaxation. A coffee and a good book in hand, lounging on this spacious sofa while enjoying the view is simply perfect. Adjacent to the entrance, the enclosed kitchen is a chef's dream. Timber-look tiles on walls and floors offer style and durability. Built-in cabinetry stretches to the ceiling, maximizing storage. The yard is spacious and well ventilated, with built-in storage keeping it neat and tidy. Down the hallway, we arrive at the common room, a versatile space boasting a massive walk-in wardrobe, ideal for those with fashion passions while keeping their space clutter-free. This room also doubles as a guest bedroom, with a sofa bed that fits seamlessly into the space. The master bedroom is a tranquil retreat, with its ambient cove lighting casting a soft glow. A king-size bed takes center stage, flanked by two wardrobes and a cozy work-cum-study corner. The ensuite is a luxurious oasis with its long L-shaped countertop, mirrored storage cabinets and high-quality timber-look tiles. With a glass shower screen and impeccable finishes, it's a spa-like escape right at home. The second bathroom is equally sleek with its thoughtful layout. finally, tucked away discreetly in the hallway, you'll find the bomb shelter storage, a practical addition that doesn't interrupt the flow of the living space. From the sleek kitchen to the inviting living area, every corner of this unit has been carefully curated to create a space that's both stylish and functional. The location is a 4-minute walk to Boon Keng MRT on North East Line and just 3 stops to Dhoby Ghaut. We have easy access to PIE and CTE. A short drive of 15 minutes gets you to Orchard Road and CBD. A 24-hour Sheng Siong is just 2 minutes away. There are 3 coffee shops within just 1 to 2 minutes walk. A 5-minute walk to Bendemeer Mall gets you to more food options, hawker and other conveniences. We are also right beside Wangpo Park Connector, perfect for daily recreational activities. Schools within 1 kilometre include Hong Wen Primary, Bendemeer Primary and St. Andrews Junior. Thanks for joining me again on this home tour of my slice of the neighbourhood. This home is a modern masterpiece with its cosy ambience and ambient lighting creating the perfect backdrop for colourful art and personal touches. If you are ready to experience this sanctuary in the city, St. George's Towers with its prime location and unparalleled convenience awaits your discovery. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to have your home featured next. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.